Hi, class. My name is Alex Gariba, and I'm the instructor for Counseling 120 Online. Welcome to the spring 2020 semester. I want to give you a little background on myself. Like you, I was a CSM student, so I attended College of San Mateo and transferred to UC Berkeley after earning my associate's degree and certificate. And then I went on to earn a bachelor's degree in sociology from UC Berkeley. I've worked at College of San Mateo on and off since 2006. And I started as a full-time tenure track counselor and instructor in the fall of 2019. My previous experience includes being a staff member at College of San Mateo, but also I was an associate dean and dean of outreach and student engagement at City College of San Francisco for about 3.5 years. But it's always been a goal of mine to be a full-time faculty member at College of San Mateo and come back to where I started. And I really get great joy working with CSM students especially, and it definitely hits close to home. So really excited to be teaching this class. I earned my master's degree in counseling from San Jose State, so that gives you a little bit of background. So I've been, again, in community college since 2006, and I've been teaching this class for a few years now, and I really enjoy it. Online is a great way to take this course. I know a lot of instructors set up their Canvas differently, which can be challenging for students, so I like to give students a heads up on how my Canvas is set up. So we definitely cover a lot of things which I'll go over later, but I like to set up my Canvas with modules, and those modules are really set up by week. And each week you'll have kind of a to-do list of assignments, most of the readings at the beginning of the semester, upcoming quizzes, and assignments. So again, I would highly recommend that you definitely check Canvas regularly. At the very least, definitely check at the beginning of the week on Monday, Tuesday, and then at the end of the week on Thursday, Friday to make sure you're caught up with everything. And everything is done online. We do not meet in person. Everything is uploaded online. I'm definitely available for students by appointment. I'm here full-time, and you can always contact me via email, and I can make us an in-person appointment if need be. And if you're not on campus, we can do a Zoom conference call as well. So just as long as you give me a heads up, I can make time for office hours to talk to you and answer any of your questions that you have. A little bit about the content that's covered in Counseling 120. I want to actually hear from you what you want to get out of the class in the discussion, but in Counseling 120 we do have to cover CSM's programs, services, kind of the ed goals and opportunities that are available at CSM. Want to also learn about the different learning styles that are out there and your own learning style. We cover time management quite a bit in this class and effective environments for studying and academic success. And that's also including study skills, reading, note-taking, retaining things, memory. Then we transition into the educational goals that are available at the college and go into detail on what that takes. So those are certificates, associate degrees, and transfer. And then we spend a good amount of time later in the semester talking about transfer opportunities. And there are a lot of great transfer opportunities from California State Universities to University of California schools, and also private schools and out-of-state options, maybe even out-of-country options. So definitely go deep into transfer in this. And then we close out the semester by going into career and major exploration, and we do some assessments such as the Myers-Briggs type indicator and strong interest inventory, and some informal assessments such as the true colors on Eureka. We also go into the job search and getting you a nice updated resume and cover letter, job interview skills, and then close out with academic integrity. So again, that's an overview of what we're going to cover from now until May, and I am very confident, as I've seen through the years, that everyone can do really well. The key is to definitely keep up regularly, be sure to participate in discussions, as participation is a good chunk of your grade, but be an active listener and participant online. And I believe that all of you, if you're doing your assignments, studying for your quizzes and exams, can do really well. All of the quizzes and exams in this class are announced, and I give you a heads up so there will be no surprises. My main purpose here is to help you become a better student and know about the opportunities available for you for a major, career, and transfer. So really want to see you do well, and what it takes for you to be successful is, again, being an active participant, being on top of your assignments, and doing your part. So I know you can do well. Here's to a great 2020 semester. I look forward to working with you.